have here in front of me is our RG6IE insulated roof vent. This is a 6-inch insulated roof vent. On my right, we have our rough box, and on my left, we have our finished box. Let's start by checking out our rough box and what comes inside here. Inside your rough box, you're gonna find your tube, your vertical riser clamp, 2 bushings, the necessary hardware to fasten the bushings, and a 6-inch hose clamp to connect your bushings to your 6-inch pipe coming through the roof, and all necessary insulation. At the top, you're going to find all of your necessary hardware. Your 6-inch vertical riser clamp, your 6-inch hose clamp for connecting the bushings to the 6-inch pipe coming through the roof, your 6-inch long timber lock screws to help you fasten the bushings to the roof. Beneath that cardboard tray, where you'll find your sleeve, your 2 bushings, and a pre-laced hose clamp. So, beneath this bushing is your insulation, with a set of instructions stuffed inside. And at the bottom of your tube, you'll find your pre-laced hose clamp and your second bushing. Now that we've opened up our rough box, let's check out our finished box here. Inside your finished box, you're going to get an 8-inch collar to connect to the 8-inch sleeve, an appropriate rain flashing, and a second set of instructions just in case you're installing this at a later date. This is your rain collar. Here's a second set of instructions. Beneath a cardboard tray, you're going to find an 8-inch roof vent with a screen and bug cap pre-installed. This is meant to go on the top of your 8-inch sleeve and get reduced down to the 6-inch pipe that you are trying to exhaust. This is everything you should expect to receive when ordering an RG6IE insulated roof vent. Thank you for checking out our unboxing of the RG6IE insulated roof vent. Please like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell to get updates on future content. Thanks for checking out our unboxing. Look forward to more videos here on our YouTube channel about product install and good venting design. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our website, roofgoosevent.com, where we answer many frequently asked questions, or contact us directly at sales@roofgoosevent.com.